Is low water pressure in your RV driving you crazy? In this video, I'll show you 4 ways to increase your water pressure so you'll start enjoying your RVing experience. Before you start, you want to check over the hose, make sure there's no cuts in it, or your kids or the maintenance people didn't put your picnic table on top of your hose, pinching it off. Your first thing is a water pressure regulator. If you got a campground like this, it has 4 different spigots on it, you're all sharing the same line, that's not going to help. Your water pressure is going to be low no matter what you do. But having a proper water pressure regulator is definitely going to help. This person down here doesn't have one at all, but I like to run one so I'm not risking blowing the lines outside the RV. But versus the small inline ones that you cannot adjust the pressure on them, I use the adjustable water pressure regulators. It has a bigger body on the middle of it. It allows more flow through in lower water pressure situations. And you can also adjust the pressure onto it. So versus the standard 40 to 45 PSI they come with, I turn them up to 50 to 55. That way it allows more flow through, but it's not risking blowing out the lines inside the RV. The second thing to check is your water filter. I have found you can't just change the filters at 1 month, 2 months, or 3 months. It really depends on how much water you're putting through it and how many minerals in the water that you're hooked up to. For example, the Clear 2.0, these green filters, these inline ones filter down to 1 micron, which means it filters out a lot more things, but the high mineral areas, they plug up a lot faster. If I'm going out west, there's a lot of high minerals in the water, I'll use one of these blue inline filters. They only filter down to 20 microns. Doesn't take out quite as much, but they last much longer. And I'll put all the links, things I'm talking about, in the description down below. Your third thing to check is the shower head. If your shower still has a factory shower head in it, just throw that thing out and get yourself a good shower head. These Oxygenics shower heads, they input air into the water, they take low water pressure situations, they really make it feel like a luxury spa, and provide you a lot of water to shower and lather up and rinse with. And the last thing you can do if your campground you're at just has low water pressure and there's nothing you can do about it, you can fill your fresh water tank in the RV and use your own water pump, that way you can have water pressure when you need it. If you want to see more quick tips like this, check out this video next.